Investor relations is fundamental in this climate. I think it's always fundamental. We at the end of the day are public companies with public money, and therefore I think investor relations is the conduit to making sure that our stakeholders understand the business, understand what we're doing, and frankly approve of the approach that we're taking. So it's a fairly fundamental function in my view.
That's important. What about the relationship then between the company and the analysts and the investor relations community itself? How is that important, and where can it break down sometimes?
Well, I think it's obviously it's a critical relationship. I don't believe it should be a marketing relationship. I think it needs to be a frank relationship, and therefore I think there naturally will be tensions, questions, debate, and that's a good thing. I guess it shouldn't break down on substance. In other words, poor or good performance shouldn't affect that relationship. What I think it breaks down on, or could break down on, is lack of disclosure, in a sense that there isn't openness in the relationship. But if there should be good relationships. The messages may be good or bad, but I think the relationship should always be good.
One investor relations observer saying that sometimes the relationship breaks down when the company itself is a little too optimistic, and when the results are released, the market is deflated. Is there a danger sometimes that mood and sentiment can sway the dynamic?
Well, I may be being overly analytical. I think swaying the dynamic of people being happy with you is different to breaking down relationships. So if a company is underperforming, naturally stakeholders and investors will be concerned, and that's natural. But I think if you're open and honest regardless, the relationship itself should not suffer, frankly.